Imagine AI, or artificial intelligence, as a super smart computer that can think and learn like a human but much faster. Here's how it works in simple steps. 1. Learning from data. AI learns from lots of examples. For instance, if you show it thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it starts to understand what a cat and a dog look like. 2. Making predictions. Once it has learned, AI can make predictions or decisions. For example, it can look at a new picture and tell if it's a cat or a dog based on what it learned before. 3. Improving. Over time. The more examples you give it, the better it gets. It's like practicing a sport. The more you practice, the better you become. 4. Using algorithms. AI uses special rules called algorithms to make sense of all the information. Think of these as step-by-step instructions, like a recipe in a cookbook, that tell the computer how to understand and use the data. Different types of AI. There are different kinds of AI. Some are simple, like a calculator, and some are more complex, like the voice assistant on your phone that understands and talks back to you. In short, AI is like teaching a computer to be smart by giving it lots of information and instructions, so it can help us solve problems and make our lives easier.